Left with nothing but the clothes on their backs, several families in Pasig City are now picking up the pieces after a massive fire turned their homes and memories to ashes. With this report. Elvira, a mother and homemaker, has no idea how her family will start over after a massive fire destroyed their house last night in Barangay Rosario, Pasig City. All their belongings went up in smoke and ashes, and they were not able to save anything, even important documents. They only managed to escape with the clothes on their backs, and tragically, even their dog did not survive.
Yung apo ko, talagang sumisigaw na kasi ang nanay niya, hindi ho yan nakakalakad. Binuhat nila pababa. Eh, nung na yun, kaya wala kami nakuhang gamit, kahit na ano. Pati yung, yung mga ID ng senior, wala po talagang nakuha. Damit, at saka kami lang. Opo, yung aso lang, ang hindi. Naipalabas kasi yun, bumalik, patay na.
In another tent, the PTV News team found Danilo, who was among the first to be evacuated by his children. A foot injury has made walking painful and difficult. They rushed him out when the fire was spotted near their home.
Lumabas muna layad na sunog. Ayan, lumabas muna kami. Inaalalayan na nila ako. Nakakalakan naman po ako.
Over 100 families lost their homes last night in a fire at Ramos Village, East Bank Road, Barangay Rosario, Pasig City. Sirens from responding fire trucks echoed through the area. As seen in this drone footage, thick black smoke covered the skies due to the intense blaze. The Bureau of Fire Protection declared a third alarm around 8:30 p.m., prompting over 100 firefighters to respond. It took nearly 3 hours before the fire was declared out, just before midnight. Firefighters struggled due to the narrow alleys and densely packed homes.
Actually, ang dami mga ron, yung sobrang kipot ng kalye. Talagang tapos yung mga wirings na sa labas din. So, isang sa mga naging obstruction para hindi agad mabilis sa maapula yung ating...
According to the Pasig City BFP, estimated damage to the residential area is close to 1 million pesos. Fortunately, no lives were lost in the blaze, though 4 people sustained injuries while evacuating. The BFP advised the public to take fire safety precautions.
Lagi natin tatandaan na bago tayo matulog, make sure na ang ating mga appliances, for example, itong mga ginagamit natin na cellphone, wag natin iwanan naka-charge na magdamag. Another thing is yung yung octopus wiring. So iwasan natin yung mga ganon. Tsaka make sure pag matulog off natin yung mga LPG.
The cause of the fire is still under investigation. Currently, displaced residents are staying at the multi-purpose building and covered court of Barangay Manggahan. The local government quickly set up tents for temporary shelter and distributed sleeping and hygiene kits. This morning, rice porridge and bread were also provided for breakfast. Victims are appealing for more assistance, especially clothing and basic daily necessities. Joshua Garcia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.